Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use file search in Deepseek AI. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Deepseek AI directly from your home screen for the easy access. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on the document option. Now either scroll down or tap on the search menu and start typing the name of the file to view the file and tap the search icon. This makes it faster to find exactly what you need. Once you have found the file, tap on it and Deepseek AI will open it directly. Finally, tap on the arrow beside the plus icon and you will get your search result. So this is how to use file search on Deepseek AI. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.